Welcome to the Arts Academy in the Woods, High School and Middle School. I'm Dr. Mitchell, I'm the principal, and I'll be your tour guide. Instrumental music. Our students grow from beginners to advanced. Our musicians explore the fundamentals and expand their musical knowledge base through guitar, piano, jazz band, and concert band. In our vocal music program, singers find and develop their voices through music every day. Singers work toward a high level of musicianship and character through courses ranging from chorale to madrigals.
Action.
In our acting program, actors learn how acting enhances literary and historical understanding. Actors become more comfortable with vocabulary and the craft of the stage. Our digital arts curriculum fosters the innovative spirit by pairing creativity with modern capability. Students study and analyze art and art history and get hands-on with the latest technology. In visual arts, students explore and expand their creativity through drawing, painting, ceramics, sculpture, and studio art. We encourage all of our students to think and behave like independent artists, which boosts self-confidence. In our creative writing program, writers study story structure, poetry forms, and writing techniques. Students organize and perform in school-wide poetry slams and story slams. They also collaborate on plays and films. In our dance department, dancers learn and grow through ballet, modern, contemporary dance, and jazz, while they develop skills like critical thinking and collaboration. Arts Academy in the Woods. Prepare for possibility.